Address. One of the most prime project of the Emaar in the branding, which gives you the maximum appreciation and maximum rental income through the holiday homes or the long-term rentals. I'm talking about the Address Residences brand, which is developed by the Emaar. And if you have seen the previous history in the downtown, the Address buildings gave up to the 100 to 200% appreciation in some of the projects like Sky Views. And if we talk about the rental income, they are the project right now in the downtown giving you the maximum appreciation, like the Fountain Views and the Sky Views and so on. So today I have come over here to introduce you one of the latest project of the Emaar, which is the Address Grand Residences. Emaar is just going to launch a project right on the Creek Beach of the Creek Harbor. So Creek Harbor, if we talk about the numbers, if you will see the prices in 2023, the price per square feet, it was approximately 2,900 dirhams per square feet. But back in when Emaar launched this project, it was approximately 2,200 to 2,400 dirhams per square feet. Just right in 1 year, if you compare the September 2023 up to now, the price per square feet, it's going from 3,600 dirhams per square feet all the way up to 4,200 dirhams per square feet. The whole gap, it just came only in 1 year. So Creek Harbor, they already have one address which is located in the island side. This whole area is the island. It's located right over here. It's giving the highest rental income on the short terms. If you check the whole area prices, it is right now giving you the best rental income because it's giving you the best views as well of the Burj Khalifa skyline and the whole sea view. So now why I am saying that the Address Grand Residences, which is the latest one, it's having the prime location because if you will see, it's just close and next to the metro station. And the second thing is that you are getting the most prime views of the whole sea view, plus you are getting the views of the skyline and iconic tower, which will be on the back side of this project. So Emaar is giving one bedroom starting from 1.9 million, two bedrooms starting from 3.5 million, and three bedrooms starting from 5.1 million dirhams. And these are the starting prices. Payment plan, it will be approximately 80-20 or 90-10 with the 20% of the down payment. And the Address buildings, Emaar is taking minimum 4 to 5 years to make it fully ready. So you will be getting the full access towards the private Creek Beach. And then on the back side, there will be a beautiful and amazing park of the Creek Beach. By the way, Creek Beach is having 700 meters of the beach, which is a fully private and only for the residents of the Creek Beach. Then you will be having the views of this beautiful canal right in the middle between the island and between the mainland. And you will be having the views of the open sea as well from this side. If we talk about the accessibility, Creek Harbor is giving you the accessibility from the two ways already. The one way is coming right from the Ras Al Khor industrial area or Ras Al Khor area, which we already or the mostly use. And one is coming from the Festival City, which is right in the middle. Third one is going to be developed within next 3 to 4 years when the metro will be ready. That's why the accessibility will be more easy for you because the project is right in the middle of the both entry and exit of the Festival City, and this is the new one. So right now, if you are hunting for a project which can give you the best appreciation and maximum ROI in the market within the very short time period, guys, this is the project over here. This is the project which can give you up to 50% appreciation within a couple of years only. So this is the right time to buy over here. One bedroom will give you the backside views. 2 and 3 bedrooms will give you the most prime views of the open sea as well and the skyline as well. The building will be overall 40 to 45 floors. It's not sure yet because I'm making the video. All of the information is not completed yet. So on my experience, it will be like 40 to 45 floors minimum it will be giving you. So the high floor, it will be giving you most prime views in this. So you are having a chance over here to grab a unit with the best views or the best layout in this specific project. So in the current market right now, if you see the prices of the current project, which is Harbour Point, The one bedroom, you will not find anything like less than 2.5 million dirhams. Two bedroom, you will be getting minimum at 4 million dirham, and 5 bedroom, you will be getting at 6 million dirhams. And these project was bought, like one bedroom was bought at 1.7, 1.6 million dirhams back, like 3 years back at that time. And at that time, the address was a very different kind of brand. It was not that too mature as right now it is. And right now, if you see it has whole vast history of the appreciation. Can you imagine that when Address Zabil was launched back like at the month of January and the end of December, when they was collecting the EOIs, I had total in number of 10 checks, near about 10 checks for my clients, and most of them was for the one bedrooms apartments, and all of them was asking for the higher floor and the best layout unit in that building. So you can imagine 3 of them I was not able to get the unit because there was a lot of the hype for that specific project, and the location was also amazing, same as this kind of the concept it was. Even though there was 4 buildings, but still there was too much hype, and the whole project was sold out in one day. Near about it was 1,000 apartments in the whole 4 buildings, but it was sold in one day because they had collected the EOIs 3 months earlier than they launched the projects. So if you want to know the more details about this, or if you want to go ahead for the booking, let me tell you the process for that. So right now, Emaar is collecting the expression of interest payments. It's based on a queue basis, like it's kind of pre-qualification of the clients. If the client is 100% interested, he will have to submit the 100,000 dirhams of the token amount with the signed form of his details. Then within very kind of 1 or 2 days, they will allocate the unit, and this 100,000 of the amount will be included in your down payment, and rest of the down payment you will have to transfer, and unit will be allocated on your name. Before you will do the rest of the down payment, they will exactly show you the layout, or we will be having the option. This is option we have, and if you want to go ahead, okay, we will go ahead. If we are not satisfied, this expression of interest amount 100,000 will be back to you. So this is a very smooth kind of project just to do a pre-qualification with the clients. So I'm gonna give my number over the screen. If you are internationally based and want to grab this kind of opportunity, then you can drop me on WhatsApp at any time, or if you are locally based, you can call me anytime. I would be happy to answer all of your questions. I have some of the best options right now in this project, as we have a kind of exclusive inventory, because on the previous quarter we sold more than 50 million dirhams in the Emaar. So if you are interested, you can reach out to me at any time. I would be very happy to answer all of your questions. Till that time, I will see you in the next video. This is Rizwan signing off with the best project of the Creek Harbour and the Emaar.